Good morning, children. The lesson direct proportion and inverse proportion is going on with us. Or let's see some questions on direct proportion. Okay. And this question is from practice set 38. It is the question number 4. Okay. The stock of grains in a government warehouse lasts 30 days for 4,000 people. How many days will it last for 6,000 people? See children, this question is, see children, if number of peoples are more than the stock of the food and the days are less. So this type of questions are inverse proportion. See children, so let's make one table, grain, days and people. If the stock for 4,000 people was 30 days. Now see children, here the people increasing from 4,000 to 6,000. So here increase. So yes, the 30 days are sufficient for 6,000 people. No, so it will decrease. Days will decrease. See, they are the opposite. That means what? They are the inverse proportion. So see children, these are the inverse proportion. That's why we multiply side by side. 30 multiplied by 4,000. 4,000 equals to. So let's see. X days are required for 6,000 people. X multiplied by 6,000. See children, it is the simple linear equation. To find the value of this x, we will shift this multiplied by 6,000 to this side. It's 6. 6 under 6. And what is left with that? Equals to x. What is left? 5 multiplied by 4. 5 4s are 20. Yes. So the food stock will last only up to the 20 days. Got it, beta? So it is 20 days. So how many will it last for? So it will last for only 20 days. Got it, children? So you can solve. So this type questions are inverse proportion. People and food, work and time. Okay. Speed and time. Speed and time are also, if more the speed, less the time. Less the speed, more the time. Okay, so this type of questions are inverse proportion. Let's see with the other question. If 10 men can construct a house, if 10 men can construct a house in 150 days, so how many men are required to construct a in 120 days. See children, this day is the unit of time. Okay, day and work. 10 men can construct a particular task in 156. So days. So here days are reduced from 150 to 120. Means you need more men to construct it. Here we reduce, the men will be increased. Okay, so let's see the men and days. When 10 men, we construct it in 156 days and complete the task in 120 days. So number of men required is X. Time and work. Days is a unit of time. So they are always in inverse proportion. Yes, it is inverse proportion. That's we multiply side to side to find the value of this unknown quantity X. So 10 multiplied by 156 equals to X multiplied by 120. So this 120 goes on division after shifting. Divided by 120 equals to X. This 0 will cancel. 1 into 156 and divided by 12. 12 and 12. 12 and 12. 3 is raised. 12 3 is a. Okay. 13 into 1 is X. X equals to 13. 13 means what? 30 men. Okay. So to complete this construction just in 120 days, you have to increase the number of men to 10 to 13. So 13 men will construct this task in 120 days. See children, here we reduced 156 to 120 here. So here it increases 10 to 13. So they just opposite. Got it, beta? Let's see another question. Question. If 25 men can reap a field in 42 days, in 42 days, in how many days? In how many days will 30 men reap? The same field. Okay, children, what is given, beta? 25 men and time period is 42. Now it 25 increases to 30. Here men is increases. So time period, that is days, will decrease. So let's make a table. 25. Sorry, here we will make and days. We will make name and days. Yes. When May work 25, so they complete their work in 42 days. Okay. Now it increases 25 to 30. So here is the increase. Okay. So what will here? It will decrease. Why? Because it is the man and the time. Work and the time. So it will always inverse proportion. That's why we multiply side with side. 25 multiplied by 42 is equal to 30 multiplied by x. See children, it becomes a simple linear equation. Okay, so we will shift this multiplied by 30 to this side. It goes on division. X. Okay, 5, 6 are 5. Okay, now see children, here is 42 and here is 6. Yes, they are the multiples of 42 is the multiple of 6. 6 under 6, 6, 7. What is left in the numerator, beta? 5 and 7. What is left? 5 and 7. 5 sevens are X. So with 30 men, the days required to reap the field is 35. So just 35 days they will reap the field with 30 men. Got it, beta? So I am giving you one question to solve. in a camp, soldiers have provision for 28 days. If the number of soldiers are 120, then how long will the provision last? So children, this question is same as the previous question. Got it, beta? Soldiers and days. So it is food and days. More the men, less the food stock for days, and less the men, more the days. Okay, they are just opposite to each other. So you have to solve this question by using inverse proportion. Got it, beta? So here we are stopped, children. Bye bye, beta.